In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tabs on Webflow. Creating tabs in Webflow is a fantastic way to organize content on your website. It not only makes your site look more professional, but it also enhances the user experience by making information easily accessible. I'll walk you through this process step by step so you can confidently implement tabs into your own Webflow project. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Head over to the Webflow login page and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your projects are listed. Find the project you're working on and click on it. This will take you into the Webflow designer where all the magic happens. Within the designer, your first move will be to add new elements to your page. To do this, look for the Add Elements button. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the different elements Webflow offers because they're the building blocks of your website. As you scroll through the available elements, you'll come across the tabs element. This is what we're going to focus on today. Go ahead and click on it to add it to your page. You'll notice that it automatically comes with a default layout including tabs and tab contents. To customize these tabs to your liking, click on the drop-down menu for the tabs element. This reveals the individual tab buttons that your visitors will click on, but that's just one part of the equation. You also need to tailor the content that appears under each tab. Click on the drop-down menu for the tabs content element. Here you'll see different panes corresponding to each tab. These panes are where you'll place the unique content that should appear when a tab is selected. Let's start with tab pane 1. Highlight it by clicking on it, which signifies you're working on this particular part of your tabs. This is where you get to be creative. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Components section. This is where Webflow houses a variety of pre-designed components that you can simply drag and drop into your tab pane. Choose a component that fits well with the content you want to display in your first tab. For instance, if tab 1 is about your services, you might choose a component that lets you list those services in a visually appealing way. Repeat this process for tab pane 2 and tab pane 3, clicking on each to highlight it before heading back to the Components section to select appropriate components for each. Remember, the key is to make sure the content matches the label on the tab button so your website visitors can navigate your site intuitively. Once you're happy with the content in each tab, it's time to see your work in action. Webflow has a neat feature that allows you to preview your site right from the designer. Look for the play button located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it toggles the preview mode on and off, giving you a glimpse of how your tabs will function in a live environment. And there you have it, you've successfully added customized tabs to your Webflow site. Remember, the beauty of Webflow is in its flexibility. Don't hesitate to experiment with different components and layouts within your tabs to find what works best for your content and design aesthetic. That's all for now. Dive in, get creative, and transform your Webflow project with beautifully designed tabs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.